underbelly exhaust test for Pulsar 200 NS. This is a water trough that is used to test the ability of a bike to wade through water. It has been filled to a depth of 16.5 inch, approximately up to the knee, and is created to replicate a flooded area. Test 1. Riding through water. In this test, the bike rides through knee-deep water at a speed of 15 km per hour. Test 2. Idling in water. The rider goes through knee-deep water, stops the bike, letting the engine idle for a while, and resumes riding without any problem. Test 3. Stopping and starting in water. The rider stops the bike in water and switches off the engine. After a few minutes, the engine is restarted and he resumes riding. Test 4. Standing in water for 30 minutes. Here, the rider stops the bike in water and switches off the engine. He leaves the bike in knee-deep water for about 30 minutes. And restarts with ease. As you can see, in all the tests, the Pulsar 200 NS easily goes through the water without stalling at any point. The Pulsar 200 NS is a next generation bike with advanced design and technology like the underbelly exhaust. From the exhaust features to its technology like exhaust tech, everything has been carefully designed and tested to ensure supreme performance.